Hi buddy. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to introduce my web app which runs purely in Python. And this app is very faster than Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. You can get my project from GitHub, and the link to my repository is given in the description below. And what you see now is just a preview of this Python application. GitHub, Twitter, Instagram. Before going to the video, please do subscribe our channel and smash the like button. Now the left half screen is the terminal where we are going to run our application. And the right half screen is the code of our application. Now let's list all the programs we have. Let's run our GitHub web app written in Python. Wow! It renders the web page very faster than a browser. And see, it is fast. If you open this page in Chrome, this spinning globe will make your Chrome to use a lot of memory, and sometimes low-end PCs may end up in crash. Now, let's see our Twitter app which weighs just less than 1 megabyte. And this shows Elon's profile as I set that as home page. Just click on any other profile. You can safely log in here, because you have the full source code and know how safe it is. I also attached a file named universal.py as a Google search engine. This is faster than a browser and it does not drink your CPU like Google Chrome. Now, let's try to click on any link. Yes, it renders fast. You can also see the JavaScripts running the website in our terminal. Let's close this app and see our code. If you wanted to make your own app, just open any of our project, copy it, and edit the link in the program. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.